Welcome back to WeatherBug here on this Tuesday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your local forecast or national coast-to-coast forecast. We're talking about some localized flooding and also some localized heavy snowfall. And this is going to be an ongoing situation here across the Gulf Coast states as we watch another low pressure system wind up over Texas. Highs yesterday anywhere from the 70s and 80s in the deep south to the 40s and 50s in the Ohio Valley. We had 30 in the Twin Cities, 23 International Falls, and then back here to the west. Fairly mild in the Willamette Valley. Northern portions of California a little bit warmer than, say, Portland and Seattle. And really not a terrible amount of colder air up to the north, but a reinforcing shot of this chillier air will be sagging south of the international border by late this week. Highs from normal yesterday, warmer than average in the eastern part of the country versus what we had off to the west, and temperatures out there today. Still kind of chilly out near the Four Corners region. And again, we are watching some snow push into those areas. So here are the weather headlines from coast to coast. We have some flooding down to the south, some winter storm warnings, and also some cold conditions across the deep south here in the southwest. But that winter weather headline is going to be ongoing here through Wednesday in some cases, where snowfall amounts could be upwards of, say, 3 to 6 inches of snow. Here's a high-resolution snowfall map from portions of northeastern New Mexico, northern Texas, including Amarillo, maybe over to Pampa on the order of 3 to 6 inches of snow, and east to Woodward, Oklahoma. So if you're in these areas, definitely looking at some shovel potential and seeing some heavier snow this morning. So as we travel eastward, this is going to help to invigorate some additional showers and storms, and we don't necessarily need more because we've already had quite a bit. Take a look at these precip tallies. In Hattiesburg, 6.4. By the way, Hattiesburg seeing those tornadoes confirmed by the National Weather Service. There's an EF3 and an EF4 with almost 90 injuries in and around these areas in southern Mississippi due to the tornadoes on Sunday. So the rainfall amounts have been very heavy. The ground is saturated already, and any additional heavy precipitation is going to go into runoff. So flooding headlines are in effect here through the day today, and likely to see that again tomorrow as we have heavy rainfall potential in the order of maybe 1 to 2, isolated 3+ inches out there. Also looking at a severe threat, slight risk of severe weather from New Orleans, where we have Mardi Gras ongoing today, to Pensacola, Florida. And then by Wednesday, the severe threat shifts to, say, Tallahassee over to Jacksonville, Florida, and southern portions of Georgia. So that storm system will continue to lift off to the north and east. Maybe some snowfall on near D.C. on the northern edge of that. We'll keep you up to date, but we're also looking at some cooler conditions by the end of the week. We'll keep you up to date here at WeatherBug.